Good morning, students. Let us discuss the numerical problems of NCRT. In NCRT, at page number 100, question number 2, a farmer moves along the boundary of a square field of side 10 meter in 40 seconds. What will be the magnitude of displacement of the farmer at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds from his initial position? In this question, we are given a square field of side 10 meter and a farmer is starting from point A and he is taking the round of this square field. He completes his one round of this square in 40 seconds. So what do we have to calculate? We have to calculate the displacement. Now let us see how we will start. The side of the given square field is 10 meter. कितनी है side square field की? We are given that the square field of side 10 meter. So side of square field is 10 meter. Perimeter कितना हो जाएगा? 4 sides means 40 meter. तो 40 मीटर को कवर करने में फार्मर को कितना टाइम लग रहा है? 40 सेकेंड्स. बाउंड्री को वो कह रहा है फार्मर टेक्स 40 सेकेंड्स टू मूव अलोंग द बाउंड्री. तो हम ये देखेंगे कितना टाइम उसने मूव किया. 2 minutes 20 seconds. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कन्वर्ट द टाइम इन सेकेंड्स. So displacement after 2 minutes 20 seconds, that is equal to 2 multiplied by 60 plus 20, कितना हो गया? 140 seconds. So we will check how much round will he take in 140 seconds. Just see, A से start किया. एक राउंड उसका कितने में कंप्लीट हो रहा है? 40 सेकेंड्स में. दूसरा राउंड कितने में कंप्लीट हुआ? 40 में. 80 सेकेंड्स हो गए. तीसरा राउंड कंप्लीट हुआ कितने में? 120 सेकेंड्स में. और चौथा राउंड 20 सेकेंड्स उसके पास बचे तो वो कहाँ पर पहुँच गया? सी पोजीशन पर. सो इट्स फाइनल पोजीशन विल बी सी एंड द राउंड विल बी 3.5. So how we will write? We will write that since in 40 seconds farmer moves 40 meter, so first the distance covered by the farmer in 1 meter will be 40 upon 40. So distance covered in 140 seconds is equal to 140 meter. That is equal to, how you will calculate, the number of rounds is equal to total distance upon perimeter. That is equal to 140 upon 40 is equal to 3.5 rounds. So its final position will be C. So we have to, initial position is A, final position is C. So we have to calculate the displacement, means distance of A and C. तो ये हमारा कौन सा हो गया? ADC is a right angle triangle. We have to calculate the hypotenuse. कौन सा फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे? The formula will be Hero's formula. Base square plus perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square. 10 square plus 10 square, square root of this. So displacement AC is equal to 10 meter whole square plus 10 meter whole square, square root of this. So this we will be getting 10 root 2, and if we will put the value of root 2, we will get 14.14 meter. So after 2 minutes 20 seconds, farmer will be the doing displacement at 14.14 meter north east from initial position. पहले वो इधर गया, ईस्ट में गया, और फिर वो किधर गया, नॉर्थ में. Next numerical is on page number 102, question number 5. That is, during an experiment, a signal from a spaceship reached the ground station in 5 minutes. What was the distance of the spaceship from the ground station? The signal travels at the speed of light, that is 3 into 10 raised power 8 meter per second. We are given the speed and we are given the time, 5 minutes. We have to calculate distance. So we know the formula, speed is equal to distance upon time, or distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Speed is 3 into 10 raised power 8 meter per second. Time is 5 minutes. As speed unit is second, so time should be converted into second. So it will become 300 second. So distance will be 300 multiplied by this speed, that is speed multiplied by time. You will be getting distance. This numerical is on page number 103 of your NCERT book. Question number 2. A bus decreases its speed from 80 km per hour to 60 km per hour in 5 seconds. Find the acceleration of the bus. As I told you, in linear motion, we used to say that speed is velocity. So if it is written speed, it means it is velocity. A bus decreases its speeds from 80 km per hour. 80 km per hour is the initial speed, or you can say initial velocity u. U is equal to 80 km per hour. And it decreases to 60 km. V is 60 km per hour. So first of all, and time is 5 seconds. As time is 5 seconds, so we will convert the units kilometer into meter. So speed will be converted into kilometer per hour. We will convert it into meter per second, as you have done earlier also, that when we have to convert kilometer into hour into meter per second, we multiply by 5 by 18. So 80 multiplied by 5 by 18 gives us 22.22 meter per second. Similarly, we will convert V into meter per second. This will come out this 16.66. So time is 5 seconds. What we have to find out? We have to find out acceleration. Acceleration का formula क्या होता है? A is equal to V minus U upon T. तो V कितना है हमारा 16.66, U कितना है 22.22, divide by time, substitute these value and simplify. When you simplify, you will get answer in minus. So which shows that it is retardation, because speed is decreasing. So it is negative acceleration, means retardation, means the speed is decreasing. Next numerical on the same page. Third question. A train starting from a railway station and moving with uniform acceleration attains a speed 40 km per hour in 10 minutes. Find its acceleration. क्या कैलकुलेट करना है आपको? A, acceleration. फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? A is equal to V minus U upon T. Train starting from a railway station means when a train start from rest, when an object start from rest, then initial velocity is always taken as 0. So initial velocity of the train U is equal to 0. And this is what speed 40 km per hour is final velocity v, that is equal to 40 km per hour converted into meter per second. So it will be 11.11 meter per second. Time is given 10 minutes. So this, as we have the velocity meter per second, the unit of time also should be in second. So convert time into second. So time taken t is equal to 10 minutes. When we will convert it into second, it will become 10 multiplied by 60, 600 second. Now write the formula for the acceleration. A is equal to v minus u upon t. Put the values of this. Value of v, that is equal to 11.11, minus value of u 0, divide by time 600. So you will be getting 0.0185 meter per second square. Unit is must. If you will not write the unit, you will lose the marks. So acceleration of the train will be 0.0185 meter per second square. Numerical in text question, page number 109, question number 1. A bus starting from rest. Rest means initial velocity. Yes. What? 0. Yes. A bus starting from rest moves with a uniform acceleration of 0.1 meter per second square for 2 minutes. So time is 2 minutes. So it should be in seconds because acceleration is given to us meter per second square. What we have to calculate first, find the speed acquired means final velocity and the distance traveled. So in this we will be using all the three equations of motion. Whichever will be suitable, we will use that. So first, initial speed of the bus means initial velocity. What is initial velocity? U. It is starting from rest, so u will be 0. Acceleration is given to us 0.1 meter per second square and time taken 2 minutes means 120 seconds. So by using first equation of motion, v is equal to u plus at. All these three equations of motions will be used as a formula for the numerical problems. So v is equal to, we will put the values u 0 plus a 0.1 multiplied by 120. When you simplify, you will get 12 meter per second. So next part is distance traveled. So we have third equation of motion, that is equal to v square minus u square is equal to 2as. So s is the distance covered by the bus. So put the value of v which we have calculated, put the value of u, put the value of a, just simplify and get the answer, that is distance traveled by the bus is 720 meter. You can find out the distance by second equation of motion also. The answer will remain same. You can use any of the equation. Next question is on page number 110. Question number 2. A train is traveling at a speed of 90 km per hour. Brakes are applied so as to produce a uniform acceleration of minus 0.5 meter per second square. Find how far the train will go before it is brought to rest. Now, train has to stop. When an object stops, then final velocity or final speed is always taken as 0. And when an object or a train or a car start from rest, then initial speed, or you can say initial velocity, is always taken as 0. In this case, the train is traveling with the speed of 90 km per hour. So u is equal to 90 km per hour, means initial speed 90 km per hour. We have to convert it into meter per second square. So velocity will be meter per second. So convert it into meter per second. So it will come out 25 meter per second. Everybody knows how to convert. We will multiply with by 5 by 18. Final velocity means final speed v is equal to 0 because train will come to rest. Find how far the train will go. We have to calculate what? Distance. And acceleration is given to us minus 0.5 meter per second square. Why minus sign is there? Minus sign indicates that speed is decreasing. So acceleration is equal to minus 0.5 meter per second square. So according to third equation of motion, v square minus u square is equal to 2as, or v square is equal to u square plus 2as. We will substitute the value of v, we will substitute the value of u, we will substitute the value of a, and when we simplify, we will be getting s, that is equal to 625 meter. Everybody knows this simplification or not? Solve कर लोगे ना? इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लो और आपके पास आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? ट्रेन ने कितनी डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल की? 625 मीटर बिफोर कमिंग टू रेस्ट.